Hi everyone, my name is Brianna and today we're going to be doing some string and paint art. Materials include writing utensils, paper, tape, and the picture of your choice. The first step is to tape your tracing paper to your picture. Now you will start the process of stippling, which means that in the darker areas of your picture, you will draw more dots close together, and in the lighter areas of your picture, you will draw less dots that are more spaced apart. This is better to do with a thin, dark-colored marker or pencil. When you're done, you can remove the picture from under the tracing paper and hang your artwork. Have fun!